So my name is Anil. I work for Bosch Appliances. It is known as BSH, wherein we manufacture washing machine, refrigerator, dishwasher. We have ample products in the market. We use Tata Tele services for our office connectivity, majorly for PRI and internet connectivity. For leaseline, we use some other service products, Tata Communication. Basically, at Tata, all our major this one are on Tata. So I had come for this event, majorly meet our new account manager. So I wanted to have a chat on it, because since being a critical business, we use Tata services, Tele services business for our call center, which is a very critical, very critical operations. So I just came to apprise that particular criticality to the new account. I recently joined 1.5 years.
Okay.
Ago. I suppose we are using Tata from last 5 to 6 years, and I personally work with Tata from last 13-14 years. My present organization is quite good. What experience I had from last 3 years, it has started to improve. This is what I'm experiencing right now.
Okay.
Because I get a very good support from your incident management team.
Oh,
so whenever I book a ticket, so they told me to go through a procedure. So I usually go to that procedure. So within 15-20 minutes, I get a resolution.
Wow.
So this is an issue. So it will take time. So because we have something called as primary and secondary.
Yes.
So once I get it is going to take time. I shift my operations to my secondary call center or secondary. So.
Great.
So this is how, as of now, from my last 3-year experience to what I get in last 1 year, so it has improved.